Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining. Today, by request, we're going to go over Ghost. This was requested a long time ago, and it's taken me forever to get around to it. It's a really cool song. It's pretty tricky. It's odd playing it. It's odd playing it solo. It's kind of hard to find that right rhythm when you're playing it. But I'm going to go over the chords and kind of how I play it. And my main advice for this tune is once you have the chords and that progression down, is to just pop on a couple of your favorite versions and just kind of play along with it and try to find that groove along with the band. It's a lot of fun playing it that way. So, as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. Okay, so for the chords for Ghost here, so we've got this A minor 7, and that chord you hear Ghost right away with that chord. I've got an A minor 6, got a D9, and you got an E7 plus 9. Sounds difficult, but it's really not. Alright, so this A minor 7 here, the way we're playing that, so barring on the 5th fret, barring from the D to the E, then ring finger is going to be on the 7th fret of that D, pinky finger on the 8th of the B. And you can hit this open, you can hit that open A if you want to. Sometimes I'll mute it, but okay, so then your A minor 6, keep the same shape, you just move your pinky finger up to the 7th fret here of the B. So it's a really very easy progression, once you know what you're playing here. And that's it for the first part of the verse. And from here you go to your D9. And you just stay on that for this whole part here. So try to hear the words when you're playing it. I'm trying to do that right now and talk at the same time. And you hit this here, this E7, E7 plus 9. So your D9, very, very cool chord. Phish plays this chord a lot. Trey loves these chords. So we've got middle finger on the 5th fret of the A, index on the 4th of the D, ring on the 5th of the G, and pinky on the 5th of the B. And you're just hitting those 4 strings. You don't want to hit the E's here. And then the E7 plus 9, same shape. You move it down here. So now your root is on the 7th of that A, and then your pinky actually goes to the 8th of the B, and gives you that little dissonant sound there, I guess. Right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over that again here. So I'll just play through it. I'll play through it slowly here. And that's it. I mean, you'll play that over and over, and then you go into the jam. I really don't have a good way of telling you how many times to down strum on this one. Again, really, once you know the chords to play, the best way for this one, honestly, is just to listen to a version and just try to play along with it. So I'll go ahead and play it again here, just kind of at normal speed. Feel free to pause and come back and play along. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty quick one. Thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it. And please leave me feedback, comments below. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again soon.